Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change the nutrient solution in the reservoir. We'll probably maybe look at tapping up some of the plants. You'll notice that a couple of these ones we've actually gone ahead and we've eaten off of here. I think that was some salad lettuce that we had, both of these, in order to do a salad and do some general kind of cleaning. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the tower and the reservoir cover, and we're going to do that by holding on to the tower itself here, and we're also going to go ahead and pull up on this cord there, which will help to lift the pump out and the entire assembly out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now what you can see is we've pulled out the tower and the reservoir, and the pump is down there as well. And you'll notice that in the reservoir itself, the water level has fallen down quite low. That's one of the reasons why the plant's wilting a little bit. So typically full is all the way up to the top line that you have, and you'll notice that it's flowing all the way on down here. So we're going to go ahead and replace this, and I'm going to do that simply by taking it into the bathroom and pouring it down the sink and filling it back up with tap water. I'll show you in just a second. So just empty the water out. You can empty it into the toilet, into the bathtub. What you'll see is the remainder of nutrient solution, and that's some of the cocoa coir that has washed down from the cups that are in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a shower and just kind of wipe this out real quickly so we can continue to use it. Okay, so we've gone ahead and we've cleaned it on out a little bit, and now very scientifically, because it's designed to try and make things really easy for you at home, we're going to go ahead and we're going to refill this one up. And all I'm doing is I'm going to fill it up using regular old tap water, and I'll fill it all the way up to this rim here. And then we'll take it on back outside. Okay, so we've now filled up the reservoir up to the limit. That's there. And with your monthly pack, you'll have 2 small bottles of nutrient A and nutrient B solution. Now we've pre-measured those because this is 20 liters of water, plain ordinary tap water, and the 2 bottles that you have provide the exact amount of nutrient solution that you need, whether it be for leafy greens or for fruiting veg. Now in this case, we've got a tower that's got a mixture of both, and I'm seeing flowers that are happening on my tomato plants and other plants here. You can see the flowers that are right here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to change this solution to fruit and flowering nutrient solution. And typically you just dump the bottle on in. I actually don't have 2 small bottles because we've got a lot of different setups here. So I'm going to go ahead and use these bigger bottles and go from there. This is the second part of solution going on in. I've used the measuring cup. So we're just kind of dumping it on in there, letting it sit. Not a problem. We're ready to go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our tower, we're going to lift it back up again, and plug it right back into the reservoir. Plug it in, and we're all good to go. And there we go. We've now replaced it. We've plugged it back in. The timer's gone off. And let's see if we can dig in around this bok choy here. And not sure you can see it, but you can see on the leaf, it's dripping on through. So we've already got reflowering it, and the leaves that were a little bit wilted because it didn't have enough water, as you can see here, those will all bounce back real quickly. One of the things that you want to do during the course of the month is just check the reservoir, make sure that there's enough water in it. You can do that by lifting the tower up, or just kind of feel how heavy it is now, and then from there you'll want to fill it back up. Easy way to fill it up, haven't replaced this one yet, is just open up, and you can see the water potentially dripping down there now. Open it up and dump a little water in here to fill it on back up again. If you get down to the fact where you're having to fill up the water 4 or 5 times, it's probably time to go ahead and change the nutrient solution, but really only once a month should be good enough for you. Anyway, that's our short video. It's quite easy to do your waterfall tower, to change the nutrient solution. Did it by myself. See you all soon.